Bado na bana tumeke pale tuifunge kwa sababu tujue ninyoshe sasa una bana hapo hiyo kwa fupi So everyone, you can come and see each other. Hello, bro. You will see here the bevel here, right? Yes. Bevel. Okay, you have to be in the cycle. So you can just the leg. You also have a bevel. Okay. It should be in the center. You just hold it. So check there is a center. Quite okay. If it's center, you have to tight it. 3 buttons, right? The first is the linking button. This will show you whether the signal is good and is linked to any item. The second is the power button. Turn it on, turn it off. The last one is the mode button. Here, I will like power button and linking are simple, just to give you information. But the mode button is you need to understand because this is the same GRDK base station we use for every drone, no matter what survey, agriculture or anything. No matter which drone model, T20, T30, T40, T50, T16, they use the same thing. So this is a mode is important. We have a mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, mode 5. Okay. Usually for agriculture drone, starting from T30, we use mode 5. Even M3M is a mode 5. Actually, Phantom 4 is a mode 2. So you are flying the same mode. Like let's say now we have a 2 teams, one T40, one T50. They use the same mode. So you can use one RDK base station for multiple drone and 5 drones together at the same place. Okay. So now we will start turning on short press and long press. Short press, long press. Okay. We will wait. We will check the mode here. The mode is shown by the LED signal light. It's not okay. It's initiating. The signal is good here. You link, wait, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's mode 5. If you want to change the mode, long press. You will change the color. 1 press. Mode 1. 2 press. 1, 2. Mode 2. 3 press. 1, 2, 3. 3 press. Okay. Another press. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is our mode of Mavic 3M. That's why I changed to the mode 5. So how we can understand? You also mentioned here which drone you are using, Mavic 300 or M30T or M3E. It's already show you there. Okay. So sometimes you cannot connect with your drone. That can be by the mode issue. This is most common issue. So they're thinking, I don't know why it's not connecting. That's because you have to change the mode. Okay. So next we will make it ready. One guy take out the remote and connect the channel the remote. Okay, you make it ready. And just check the propeller. Your propeller. You know where the propeller now? Here. You go. Okay. You can install here. Take out propeller and just close it. Yeah. Close it. Can you turn on? No, you there.
From the control.
So every time when you use the base station, turn on the base station first, then turn on the remote controller. If you turn on remote controller first, sometimes you may not be able to connect because the base station is the first initiating thing, connecting to satellites and trying to transmit the thing to your remote controller. Because if you say remote and drone, remote controller is transmitter, this is receiver. So the drone is already less, but the remote is compared to the base station. Base station is a transmitter. Make sure the colors. Make sure. Okay. So color. Okay. Good. And make sure check. Good. Then check the leveling. You can remove bar.
Remove the tape in front of the camera. Mr. Owner.
Slow press and long press. Can you connect the drone? Remote?
Already.
Okay, so we connect to RTK. Okay, normal. Click the normal.
Yes.
Check the RTK.
RTK. Disconnected.
Disconnected.
Yeah.
The gimbal payload issue.
Wait, show me. Which? RTK.
RTK.
What happened? Camera. Memory card error.
Home point updated.
Install the SD card.
Check map to confirm.
Hii hapa nyeusi. Nyeusi umeona? Nyeusi hapa nyeusi. Hii hapa ndio nyeusi. Iko kandani sana. So mimi nitaweka kwenye kona hapa. Sasa tazungumza hivi. Unaona hapo? Ini kile hapa pointi. Then nataka niweke hapa kwenye kona. Kwenye hapa pointi.
Okay. Shall we go? Okay. Margin 5.
And then takeoff speed 15.
It's okay.
Save. We got
Save.
When we save, then we can
You
take
can
off.
start.
Yeah. Tap hapo play.
Okay.
Kwa hapa ni kawaida sana. Naiona lakini
Unajua ukikatia drone yako utapigana nayo huko juu.
aiwa anaangalia kama kama kadogo anakapata. Ndio huyo anapata. Yeye alikuwa kama lile
Mango. Dano Rossi.